Hey guys, so right, it's nearly the end of the day. It's kind of 4:15. We've got the Mazda all sheeted up, the corner that we primed, and what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of lose it across here. So yeah, ready to get some painting? Come on, let's paint it. Hey guys, so we've got the Mazda here, and I'm just checking it with a light. So we always want to do, always check with a light before you clear. And we're mainly just checking for coverage. It actually took more paint on that than I thought it would. I thought that might have been covered within kind of two hits, but I think we went with a third one, and then we also went with a drop coat. So yeah, a bit more than I expected, but you know, that's what the light's there for. That's why you check it. All right, so now it's done. Let's get some clear on it. Okay guys, so yeah, we've just done the Mazda painting. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Repair looks really good, as you can see. Real nice finish. So yeah, overall a really good top job. Yeah, obviously this is just a bumper corner, so this is kind of pretty much standard stuff, you know. This is nothing new. This is just what we do day in, day out. But yeah, obviously now you guys know the process, and probably justify the price on it a little bit. You know, there's a few hours that's gone into that, you know. We've been repairing, priming, the paint, the materials. So realistically, when you break it all down and you see what people are charging for something like this, is it expensive for what we charge? Let me know, what do you think? I mean, we charge, for a bumper corner like that, we just charge £129. So we're not VAT registered, so it's £129, that's it. Including materials, including paint, everything like that. So, I mean, realistically, it's probably cost us the best part of, I don't know, 20, 25 quid maybe in materials. By the time you take out the kind of sanding discs, the primers, the paint, the lacquer, everything like that. So overall profit just over £100, I'd say. What do you think? Let me know. Let me know, because it'll be interesting to see whether I can justify that and whether that's a good price or cheap or what. Obviously we're not VAT registered, so we've got no VAT to pay. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what you guys think actually. So let me know your thoughts. All right, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.